These are the Cuisinart compact toasters. We have two models here. We have our two-slice model and our first-slice model. So each model works very similarly, but it has 7 shade controls here. You just choose it by turning the dial. Today we're going to put it on 4.5, and it has a bagel function, a defrost function, reheat, and also cancel. The lever here activates the toaster. You can also push it up, and when you push it up, it allows your toast to rise up, and it's easier to get at once it's done. It has a cord wrap in the back, and also a little removable crumb tray that you take out from the back, and you should make sure that's clean. So just dump it out when you're done. So today we're going to do 2 slices of bread in our compact toaster, and the slots are 1.5 inches thick. So you just press it down, and I like to use the bagel setting because it actually cooks a little bit longer. And you should use the bagel function because bagels take longer to cook because they're much more dense and thick. And also, if you want to defrost something, you use the defrost feature. Reheat is great if, say, you're cooking eggs and you didn't plan your time too great and your toast is done before your eggs are. What you can do is just use reheat, and it'll warm your toast up without toasting it more. And also we have our cancel function. All you do is press the cancel button and it pops up. We're going to put it back down. So this is our 4-slice model. And the great thing about the 4-slice model is it's actually 2 independent toasters in one. So for instance, they have each of their own shade control knobs, they have all their own functions, they also have each of their own levers. And the great thing about it is that on this side you can toast, say, English muffins. On the other side, say you want to toast a really thin piece of bread or even a waffle, you can get them to the perfect doneness that you like for each person. So there you have it, the Cuisinart compact toasters.